Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Bruce, and today we're going to be over something very, very cool. It's called tteok-bokki. It is a Korean street dish that we can make at home, and it's delicious. It gives you these very nice, chewy, tasty pieces of fish cake or rice cake. We mix with a little bit of fish cake, and then other things we're going to eat over here is this. We've got a shot of soy sauce. We have shot glasses at home. 3 tablespoons of Gochujang. That is the hot pepper paste that you get at your Asian grocer. We have 2 tablespoons of Korean pepper flakes. Now you don't have to use those, but if you like a little spicy, you can add as much as you want. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons today. We have a teaspoon and a half of Hondashi. Hondashi, this is a like a bouillon, but it's fish. So it's a little bit different, but it's delicious in this stuff. 9 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a piece of Kombu, which is a dried seaweed, a whole thing of green onions, a couple boiled eggs, and we have 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds of the tteok-bokki. This is an easy recipe. You can half this thing, save this for later, but we're going to do the whole package today. So to make this stuff, what we have to do is open the package. Then you're going to get to the tteok-bokki in here. And I have here, it's a very hot bowl of water. We're going to soak these for 20 minutes. Now while this is soaking, we're going to make the sauce to put this all together. So we're just going to put these rice cakes in the hot water. We'll be back in just a second to make the sauce and get this thing started. All right, to start off with the prep work, we're going to chop up 9 cloves of garlic, and we're going to take these green onions and cut them into 1-inch pieces. We're over at the wok now. We're gonna get things started up. First, we're gonna make the sauce. While the rice cake is absorbing some liquid in the hot bath, we'll get the sauce started in the wok. We're gonna start off with 6 cups of water. And we're gonna get this started to boil. So we're gonna turn on the induction cooktop. Now we're gonna put in the 3 tablespoons of Gochujang, 2 tablespoons of the pepper flake, a teaspoon and a half of the Hondashi, 9 cloves of garlic, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar. One shot. We all have a shot glass. 1 shot of soy sauce. And then the Kombu. We'll just get this all mixed up and incorporated. All right, so the Kombu and the sauce has been going for about 10 minutes. We have our rice cake that's been going in here in the hot water for about 20 minutes, just soaking. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this Kombu, because this does not go. This is just part of the flavoring. Let's take this out real quick. We're going to take the heat, we're going to put it at a medium. We don't want anything to burn. Then I'm going to take out the rice cake and then put it into the sauce. We have stir-fried fish cake. We'll put that in. Now we're going to stir this around. It's going to take about 20 minutes. And don't stop stirring because this is going to thicken up. We don't want anything to burn. But we'll bring the heat up just a second. We want to get this water boiling. And what's going to happen is these rice cakes are going to absorb a bunch of water, or a bunch of this tasty sauce. Then they're gonna give off some starches, and this is gonna get nice, silky, and shiny, and it's gonna just be a very, very delicious thing. I'm gonna show you guys the end of this thing. All right, so you can see here that it's starting to thicken up a bit. And this is gonna get thicker and thicker and thicker until it becomes a very thick sauce. And at that point, we'll know it's ready to eat. It's gonna take about another 10 to 12 minutes of this, but we're almost there. The end result is gonna be very much worth it. I'm gonna throw in the scallions and the eggs. And that way we can have some scallions and some eggs in here that'll taste very, very good with the rice cake and the tteok-bokki. See you guys in about 10 minutes. We're gonna add the scallions and the eggs. And we'll have this ready in just 1 second. You can see just how thick this got over a 20-minute period of time. And this is why we always have to be stirring this, because it can burn to the bottom. We don't want anything burned. We'll just give this another about 2 minutes to get the eggs and the scallions going. And we'll serve this up and see how it tastes. We've got our silky, shiny, delicious tteok-bokki. A little bit of sliced Korean radish. First time tasting that. But let's see what all this effort is. You take the egg, cut that up into the tteok-bokki sauce. Egg bite. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. So, it's a very soft, chewy, silky, delicious thing. Oh yeah. Korean radish is pretty good stuff. A little bit of a palate cleanser, but the tteok-bokki, it's simple to make. You have to go to an Asian grocery to get some of this stuff, but it is worth the effort. It's worth the trip. You get some really cool things while you're there. Some amazing soy sauce, but 100%, gotta go home. That makes this tteok-bokki. It's just an amazing thing to eat. So, Thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Bruce. Hope you guys can try some of this stuff and we'll cook it. Let me know if you do. Send me a comment in the pic or a picture or something. And we'll see you guys at another show. Like and comment. And while you're at it, subscribe. How to add MSG to everything, and MSG is the delicious thing. MSG is the delicious thing. Gonna walk away.